Morning students. Today we are going to start our unit 2. Now in unit 1 you have learnt about Ice Cream Man and the Wonderful Waste. I hope that you like both the videos and you have completed your textbook as well. Okay, now today we are going to start unit 2, and from unit 2 first poem is teamwork. Yeah. Now what is teamwork? Teamwork means working together. I am going to give all meanings to you. Now, before that, one question is there. Do you like to work and play with others? Do you like to play with others, with your friends, with your family members, with your parents? Do you like to play? Others, do you like to work with everyone? Do you like to work with others? Others, are you working alone? If you do any work alone, you will not feel fun, you will not feel enjoyment. But when you will share that same work with your friends or with your families, you will feel enjoyable. Then this poem is also giving the same message to you. But before starting poem now, we are going to sing that. Let's sing and dance. Then do you want to sing with me? Okay, sing with me, and your finger you are going to keep on that word which I am reading now, which I am singing now. Let's start. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or me becomes an us. Okay, do you like this poem? Again, you are going to read it silently in mind. Now, firstly, every time which question I am asking, that same question I am asking now also. Which rhyming pairs you got from these three stanzas? Where we find the rhyming words at the last of sentence. Then which rhyming pairs we are getting? Say teamwork, work, done, everyone. Yeah. Then on baton, whole, goal, plus us. Yeah. These are the rhyming pairs which we got from the all three stanzas. These all rhyming pairs you are going to write into your textbook. And next also I am giving the meanings. That meanings also you are going to write into your notebook. Rhyming pairs as well as meanings you are going to write in your notebooks, and after writing meanings you are going to make one sentence for each word. Now see the meanings. What are the meanings? Teamwork. Before only I said the meaning of teamwork. Teamwork means working together. We also work together. Yeah. Make our dream work, realize our dream. Yeah. That is the meaning of teamwork. That is dream work. Then fun. What is the meaning of fun? Joy, enjoyment, joy. Shoot. Shoot means hit. Hoop. Ring of the basket. Basketball. Everybody knows the game of basketball. In that one basket is there and we are throwing our ball into that basket. That basket ring is called as a hoop. Okay. Then baton. Baton means short stick. Then passes. Passes means we pass now one by one. Notebook. If I say to you pass your notebook, then what you do? You give to your friend. Your friend gives to his next friend. Next friend gives to his next friend. Like that we are passing. Means it moves onward. It moves forward. Then eighth meaning is whole. Whole means entire. Everything. Mention in this, that is whole. Goal. What is the meaning of goal? Target. Yeah, aim. That is male. This all three words meaning is goal. And the last word is a big plus. What is the meaning of a big plus? A big positive point. Now these all words you will write in the notebook, and by this you are going to learn as well as you are going to make sentences. Now let's move towards the poem. Now I am going to explain this poem. Listen it carefully. Teamwork, teamwork. Now here you can see many children are there and they are enjoying togetherly. They are working togetherly, and that teamwork is only called working together. Together we can make our dream work. Dream work means which your dream you are seeing, which you want to be make true. Suppose I have given your work. Yeah, which work I have given? To decorate the class. And if you try to decorate it alone, it will be impossible. But if you want to complete your dream of decorating class, you can take your friend's help, and by taking your friend's help you can decorate that whole class and it will look so beautiful. Yeah, then together means when we come together, everyone's come together, we can make our dream work. Dream work means whichever work we have think, that work we can complete. But when we can complete, when we do it togetherly, when we do it all, then we will share the joy of what we have done. Then whatever work we have done, now example before only I gave, decoration is over now, class decoration. Then after class decoration, are you going to cry? Oh, why I did this decoration, I don't like this? No, you are going to enjoy this. Oh, today's work is over and now how pretty my class is looking. Like that you are going to enjoy. And how you are going to enjoy? Alone? No, with your team, with your team members, with your friends. And that enjoyment you can share with your work friend when your work should be done. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. Teamwork means working together, and working together means everyone come there. Alone we can't do, everyone will be part of that teamwork. Do you understand the first stanza? Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. Okay. Now, would you like to complete your work togetherly with your friends? Yeah, definitely we like to complete this work togetherly. Now, second stanza. What is mentioned in the second stanza? You can see in the picture, there are three children. They are playing basketball and there is one. What is there? Hoop. What is hoop? Basket which is hanging upside. And what is their goal now? What is their aim now? That basketball they want to throw into that ring, and when they will throw into that ring they will get the points. Then it's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. They will feel full fun, they will feel so much joy, they will be enjoy. What they will enjoy? When they will play the basketball, and when they will that basketball they will shoot into what? Into the hoop, through the hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoot. Suppose now basketball is in my hand and I didn't pass to my next friend and next friend didn't pass to his next friend, then can anybody shoot that into the hoop? No, it's not possible. For that what we have to play then? We have to play into team. We have to play with our team members. We have to play with all players. Suppose now cricket is there. If I decided that I am only going to do batting and I am only going to do bowling, is it possible? No, bowlers should be different, then fielders should be different, and the batsmen should be different. If all members come together, then only we can play cricket match. Yeah, otherwise alone can I play? Alone you can play? No, it's not possible. Here also, if we are going to play the basketball and if nobody shoot the ball, basketball, then is it possible to make the points, to get the points? No, it's not possible. It is totally teamwork. When we play togetherly, then only we can play game and we can enjoy game. Alone we can't play any game. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. Nobody shoots means nobody hit. Okay, and we can't enjoy also this game. Do you understand the second then? Second stanza, first two lines. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. Good. Now we will move for the next two lines of the second stanza. And the relay race. What is the relay race? Now there is one stick. Okay, that stick we are passing to the next player. Then that next player, that stick is passing to the third player. Then third player passing to the fourth player. Then till getting destination, we are passing that stick from the into the relay race, and at the last then we win. But how we win? When we'll pass that stick, then only we can. Otherwise, if I will not pass the baton means that short stick. If I will not pass the baton, is it possible to play relay race? It will not go ahead, it will be stopped there only. Then for going ahead to win that relay race, I want to pass the baton, I want to pass the short stick to the next player. Okay, and the relay race just can't go on. We can't go on, we can't move on. if nobody wants to pass the baton, if I decided no, this baton is mine only, I like this baton a lot, I like this short stick a lot, I am not going to give to anyone, then can we win the relay race? No, we can't win the relay race. That's why that baton we have to give to the next player. In this picture we can see that second numbers player, in his hand baton is there, short stick is there, and he is passing that short stick to the 1 number player. Yeah, then 1 number player he will take that stick and he will go to the destination at the last point, and all will win the relay race. But he decided second number, if he think that I don't want to give, then first number, can he play then? No, they all depend on each other. In teamwork also we depend on each other, and every work we have to done it togetherly. Understood now second stanza, students? It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots, and the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. Now we are going to see the last stanza of the poem. What is the last stanza? We are the parts that make up the whole. We are the parts means if I am alone is there, then I am will be incomplete, and if with me many friends are coming to work together, that time they will be whole. Whole means entire. Yeah, all are the part of that whole. Then and we have got our eyes on the common goal. Common goal means if I am playing the cricket, then others are going to play basketball? No, all my cricket team members are going to play cricket only. If at that second time if I am playing basketball, that time all will focus on the basketball. If I am starting decorating the class, that time I will focus on the decorating class. Means at one time we are focusing on the one goal, on the one aim, and on that one aim only we are focusing and we are winning also, but with the help of our team members. And we have got our eyes on a common goal. Goal means target. On the common means same goal. Yeah, same target should be there. Sometimes it can be a big plus. Big plus means a big positive point. What will be the big positive point? When a you or a me becomes an us. Yeah, us is the pronoun which we are using for the we also. Yeah, then you means one, me means also one. This one when comes together it makes two, and more than two also, it will be us also, and it will be big positive point for us to get achievement in every work. That's why teamwork is very important. We say that proverb also, unity is strength. Yeah, when we stand together it will be strong point for us, and if alone you are going to do any work, that time it will be hard to you. Yeah, it will take more time as well as it will be hard to complete. That's why whenever we are deciding to do some work, that time we have to complete it in the teamwork. Is it, student? Do you understand the poem? Yeah, we are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on the common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or me becomes an us. Now here all students are togetherly, they are studying. Yeah, they are enjoying in the class, and if anybody has decided no, I want to play cricket in the class, is it possible? No, in class we play only, then all will get disturbed. And in the teamwork we are not disturbing, we are not troubling to each other, we are supporting to the each other, and we are making happy to others. That is only main motive of teamwork. Do you understand this, student, the poem teamwork? Okay, now who is the poet of this poem? Jan Nigro. You are going to learn this poem as well. Yeah, before Ice Cream Man also you have learned, and now this second poem teamwork also you are going to learn. Now next let's move for the question answers. Now what is the first question? Let's read. Complete the following sentences. If nobody passes the ball in the ball game, then you can't shoot. Shoot means you can't hit. Yeah. In a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then the race can't go on. The race will be stopped there only. Yeah. Then this question answer you are going to fill into textbook. Which are answers I am giving in the textbook, that you are going to fill into textbook. Think and write. Name the team members needed for the following. To play cricket, we need batsmen, bowlers, fielders and the coaches. Now to make a film, yeah, to make any movie, what we need? We need producers, directors, actors, cameraman, and so on. You can give more examples also. Then to run a good school, we need, in school what require? Teachers, principal, student, librarian, yeah, then many more. Then you can add it, your options also in this. To run a restaurant, we need chefs, finance manager who takes the bills, who receives the bill, waiters, yeah, who attend our food, who serve us, that the waiters. These are needed into the restaurant. You can add your own answers also for these 3 questions. Now next we are going to see rhyming pairs. Complete the sets of rhyming words. One has been done for you. Team, beam. So student, here also you can write your own rhyming pairs, but it should be rhyme with that word. Team, beam, plus bus, plus bus. Done, one, W-O-N, one, done, one. Hoop, scoop, hoop, scoop. Shoot, foot, F-O-O-T, foot, shoot, foot. Goal, coal, goal, coal, C-O-A-L, coal. Joy, boy, joy, boy. Now here is one small poem for you. Read the poem. For want of a nail, I want a nail. Yeah, nail means your fingernail? No. Now here mention one picture, there you can see nail. For want of a nail, front of that nail picture is there of nail. The shoe was lost because I want to stuck this nail into the shoe. But shoe only lost. For want of a shoe, the horse was lost. Then where I can get the shoe? Near the horse. But their horse is also not there. For want of a horse, the rider was lost. Then I have got the horse. But when I got the horse, that time rider was not there. Then for want of a rider, but now if I am getting the rider, the battle was lost. He is not having the battle. For want of a battle, the kingdom was lost. Kingdom means king is not there, royal is not there. And all for the want of a horse, hoe, shoe, nail. And everything happened because of one thing, that is nail is not there. That's why shoe is not useful. Shoe is not there. That's why horse is not useful. Horse is not there. That's why rider is not useful. Rider is not there. That's why battle is not useful. Battle is not there. That's why kingdom is also not useful. That's why all things are depend on each other. Now on this poem we have answers in the clouds. We have to make the questions on that. Now form questions for the answers given in the speech bubbles. Now which speech bubble is there first? What is the answer? The shoe was lost because of the nail. On this we have to make WH question. Then what was the question? How was the shoe lost? Question mark. First letter capital at the last question mark because it is question. Second answer, the kingdom was lost because the battle could not be fought. Then how was the kingdom lost? How was the battle lost? The battle was lost because there was no rider. Answers were there. We made the questions. Now here questions are there. Questions are also not there. Answers are also not there. Then we are going to make the questions as well as answers for the poem teamwork. Then first question I have made into the bubble, into the cloud. What can teamwork do? What is my first question? What can teamwork do? Answer, teamwork can make our dream work come true. Second question I made, what can we share with teamwork? We can share joy with teamwork. Where should we put our eyes on? We should put our eyes on a common goal. Students, you can make your own questions and as well as its answer from the poem teamwork. Get it? Now next question is depend on the picture composition. There is one picture. By seeing that picture, we are going to compose one paragraph. We are going to write a paragraph. We are going to give the answers of questions. Look at the pictures and answer the questions in one sentence using the word clues given in the box. Now you can see in this picture, then mason is there, laborer is there, gardener is there, electrician is there, carpenter, painter. All members are doing their work. But what work they do? We are getting answer from the next questions now. Helping boss, plumber, painter, mason, then electrician, laborer, carpenter and gardener. Who is laying the bricks? Who lays the bricks? A mason is laying the bricks. Who is holding the ladder? The laborer is holding the ladder. Student, you can see in your textbook, you can observe in the textbook, in whose hand ladder is there? In the laborer's hand, that ladder is there. Who is the man on the ladder? What is there in his hand? Wires are there. And who works with wire? Electrician. That's why it is the electrician standing on the ladder. Who is making the door? The carpenter is making the door, because that furniture work who does? Carpenter. Who is painting the walls? The painter is painting the walls. Very good. Now make up a story about the picture. Give names to the people. Write the story showing the importance of teamwork. Okay. Now you have to make story which is depend on these all people. By together they are making one nice house, and how they will complete that house, that for that you are going to make a story. And this story, how in that story teamwork is important, that also you are going to show. Now let's talk, discuss. In groups of 5, discuss what you enjoy doing alone and what you like doing in a group. Now you are not in the school, that's why you can't make group with your friend, but at home you can make group with your father, with your parent, with your siblings, with your sister, brother. Okay. Now prepare a list as shown below. Things I like doing alone. Whenever I am alone sitting, okay, one sitting, that time what things I like to do? Watching television, playing video game, listening to music. This works we can do alone also. But things I like doing in a group. Which things I like to do in the group, in the team? That is the playing cricket, watching movie in theater, and shopping as well. Students, you can write your own choice answers also. You can write down making school project, that also I like to do in group. Yeah, going outside to play, that also I like to do in group. These options also you can mention in your chart. Now see the next question. In your family, what activities are done individually and as a group? My mother decides what shall be cooked in the dinner. Yeah, most of the time cooking work has done by mother. That's why mother decides what shall be cooked in the dinner. My father decide. What my doing decision father is taking? My pocket money. Yeah, how much money should be given to me? Who is deciding that? Father. I decide. What I decide the place for our vacations. That is decided by me. I decide the place for our vacation, and we together decide, father, mother and I. Yeah, all family members together decide the timing for every member to watch television. Otherwise we can give other options also. Students, you can write here also what your mother decides to do at home, what your father decides to do at home, what I decide, what you decide, and what togetherly all members decide. That as per your family you can write your answers. In a group, mime an activity, picnic, fair, mela, cricket match, etc. which you enjoy. Mime act means we in that which we are not using the words. Silently we do that. Okay, with the face expressions. The rest of the class should guess the activity and say whether it is done in group or alone. And that mime activity, who is going to identify? This game also you can play with your mother. Now suppose you are doing that action of sweeping. Then that sweeping work who will guess? Your mother will guess. And she will say that alone you can do that. Otherwise in group you can do that. Otherwise both work you can do, alone also as well as in group also. Now let's write. What's to write? There is one puzzle. In the puzzle, find the words given in the column. Notice that these words are formed by joining two words. Yeah. Then one is done for word you. These joining words are called compound words also. Last year you have seen that. Basket plus ball, basketball. Rain plus bow, rainbow. These words are called compound words. These words only, this kind of words only we are going to see into the puzzle. Now for sometime, some is different word, time is different word. I have given all words that you can find out in your puzzle, and you are going to write extra word also. Sometime, everyone, basketball, nobody, teamwork, bat on, that is baton, Sunday, handsome, standby, like that. More words also if you are getting into the puzzle you can find out. Okay. Now you are going to complete in textbook. Next question. Let's write a poem. I have a kite but need a friend to fly it with. Kite I am having. Okay. But for that who I need? I need a friend. For what? Because we are flying the kite. That's to fly it with. I know a song but need someone to hear it. If I am singing a song, Somebody should be there to hear it. I have a ball but need someone to catch it. I want to play catch and throw, but if I am playing ball, there should be someone to catch it. Then like this you have to make the sentences. I have a video game but need someone to play with. I have a bag of colors but need someone to paint with. I have a cycle but need someone to ride with. Like this you can make your own sentence. When I have skipped one line, that is for you. You have to make your own. Like one example I can give. I have a story but need someone to listen it. Yeah. Now fun time. Make groups of 10 and present one of the following activities in the class. When school will reopen, this activity we will perform in the class. We say aloud. We sometimes use short forms for some words. For examples, we use I apostrophe M. That sign is called as the apostrophe sign. And M is the short form of am. Am. For I am. And I apostrophe VE. That is also coming for the I have. This word came into the textbook also, in poem also. These shortened words are called contractions. What it is called? Contractions. Can you say to me which words came in the poem? I apostrophe double L. Yeah? Is it there? Sorry, we apostrophe double L in the first stanza. Then we will. Then in second stanza also, is it there? Yeah, it apostrophe yes. Then what is that? It is called contraction. And what is the full form of it? It is. Like can't, CAN apostrophe T. What is the full form of this contraction? Cannot, CAN can, NOT, not. Yeah. Then we will, cannot. How we write can't? We have, you have, you apostrophe VE, there is, THERE apostrophe S, what have, that is what apostrophe VE, we are, we apostrophe RE, they are, THEY apostrophe RE. Left out, now read together. Write the contractions for the following phrases. Has not. How to write in this contraction form? HASNT, hasn't. DONOT, not. Don't. DON apostrophe T. Have not. HEV have NT. N apostrophe T. Apostrophe sign is very important. Don't forget. Are not. ARERNT. N apostrophe T. That is aren't. Write the full forms for the following. WEREN apostrophe T. What is the full form of this? Were not. Weren't. That is the were not. She will. Okay. Now she apostrophe double L. She will. Wasn't. WS was. NOT. Not. Who is. That is the whose. Who is. WHO. Who. IS. Is. Do you get the student now? These all activities you are going to complete in your textbook. And what you are going to write in notebook? Poem, rhyming pairs, yeah, meaning words and make sentences. This work you are going to complete in notebook and textbook completion. This will be your homework you are going to complete. Okay, and make separate books for the English and for the grammar. Get it, student? Thank you so much. And now homework I have mentioned already here. Write a poem in notebook, write all rhyming words, write meanings and make sentences by using it, and complete the textbook. Don't forget to complete this all work. Thank you so much, students, and take care at home.